Welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Are we on? We on. Okay. What up, babies? Welcome to another episode of Culture Convo podcast. And I'm your host with the most, Tandy, aka Titi the Tall Girl. And I'm here with...
Doesn't want to check by different versions and all the time is Jack.
So today we have our magnificent guest member. Can we have just clap hands for her, please? So today's guest has so many accomplishments in the modeling industry in King Williamstown, known as the Miss King Williamstown of 2022. And she has been the first runner-up of Miss Teen Unity. So can we please get a word? Who exactly is this person behind all these accomplishments?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Scout Ovayo. I like to introduce me because I do
Yeah.
and the more that I represent myself each and every time I'm asked to do an introduction, today is gonna be different because in year 2024 is the year that I've gained, like it's the year that I've started being saved.
Yeah.
I'm saved. I love the Lord. I'm Scout Ovayo. I believe that Lord is my light and salvation. I am saved.
Yes,
I love the
yes.
Lord
Yes.
with
Amen.
all my heart.
Amen.
Yeah, I think the more that I do with my introductions makes me feel like, okay.
Okay.
But yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's me.
Yes. Okay, so no man, guys. Yeah. Intro yam again. No one yiva. Again. There's only one check. If we did the time is check, you're in the right.
Oh, Bambi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, how are you today, ma'am?
I'm good. And yourself?
We are very well. We are very, very chilled. So, how has his life treated you this year in 2024?
Yeah.
2024.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2024 was a roller coaster because I lost myself. I lost my loved one. Like there's the huge direction.
Yeah.
In 2023, I always thought that I'm gonna be in the position that everyone thinks I'm gonna be. Like since I'm in metric, I'm gonna be in university. But
Yeah.
then, 2023 I was like, child.
What?
And yeah, man, things didn't go according to plan the way that I planned them because most people say that God has plans for us.
Yeah. Yeah.
Plans for us to prosper, not to harm us. But then, yeah,
Life happens.
life happens.
Life happens, and on behalf of all of us, on the members of the podcast, our condolences on your
Yeah.
lost loved
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
We really feel for you there. So what exactly are your expectations for the summer?
I don't have expectation. I'm not trying to freestyle. I'm like,
Okay.
Yeah.
so
Just
I don't.
let life be.
I don't
Okay.
plan anything because the more that I plan, the more that I have this
Things get
fear
out of
of
hand.
the unknown of
Yeah.
holding back. So I don't plan anything. I just go with the flow.
Yeah.
Okay, you just go with what the day has to offer. Yeah.
So, sorry.
Okay, you
Sorry.
may go.
So like can you about modeling industry? There are things that you cannot do. Whereby like abantu bakwazi ujola estratweni abakwazi like ukhona recently not recently but yeah like she's pregnant and stuff like that but so I phuma kulo industry. I'm not naming any names both. So I just want to know man by relationships zakho, how do they align with your modeling industry?
Firstly, Zange, in the book of pageantry, Ndava, I personally, Ndava, Kutwa, Sujola, Sutin. I think the directors that say to people, but don't date, don't do anything, because the person that you date matters, even if we're now because each and every time you enter a competition, they do a research about you and your type of friends that you have, family and all that. And the moment that you have like a bad boyfriend, it's gonna reflect on you. This remind me on Miss Summer 2020, Miss SA 2023, right?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna mention any names.
Yeah.
Like the finalist was one of the top 30. When on the top 30 Miss South Africa, they do research about you, and they found out that her boyfriend was a rapist, and then he was disqualified on Miss SA of dating a racist, even though she didn't know because apparently rape like ngokwayisewe high school.
Yeah.
So lando affects you. Affects izinto ezenzekayo.
Yeah.
And like
You and this.
so if you want to be in a relationship with a model, you have to be on the good side. I'm not saying portray to be someone that you are not.
Yeah.
But even if I personally do date when I go to pageant. I am dating. I'm not dating, but I am dating. Okay.
No.
I'm not dating.
Okay, you are not
So-
officially.
Currently,
I'm not dating currently.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay.
But you are in the
But
game.
I do date.
You are in the
Okay,
game.
okay.
You're just
I'm
not
not dating.
official.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do date currently, and then if you want to date, you must make sure that you're on the good side. Your partner is on the good side.
Yeah.
I'm not saying like be like Mr. All Goody Two Shoes all that, ne? But make sure that your private life is private. Keep your private life private. Don't mix your private life and pageant life. Yeah, if you're a model, you must have like a professional page so that there are certain things that you don't post because quick brand phone an approach, but I tandanga lando indibone posted highlights chai hook.
Yeah.
So each and everything affects you. Even if you wanna be a brand ambassador, you can't listen to
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay, now I have a follow-up question to what you just said about the models not doing specific. No, relax, it's a related question. City, you are someone that is big, ne? Our kids, our youth considers you someone that is big,
Yeah.
right, bo? City, you do coach models. Eventually, you do have your own competition. As the director and as the founder of a brand, how would you feel seeing one of your contestants pam kwakho, ejola pam kwakho, and it's one of your young contestants, not even above 18. Apunoti, I gumdu wakhe.
Nalabo pako 15,
Phako
14,
15,
13.
16.
15, 14,
Ukhona.
13.
And the Ovayo, there's no
So
certain manner of.
sorry, Bianca, my cake.
It's in.
Kakazame papa. Again.
Hi. Hello.
Is it grand?
Can I
Okay.
continue?
Yeah, you can continue.
City ke ngoku, your youngest contestant ne was crowned, and the crowniwe nje une title ungumzekelo ne engumzekelo ovayo ujola phambi kwakho sana lwam.
Yeah.
Uzawuyenza njani? How would you go about to handle that? And it's not the first time. Angcembe yabo sasixhosa nisona ukuncemba angcembe phambi kwakho uyi-director ye-competition ayiwinileyo
And I represent I.
ayirepresentayo and ungucoach wakhe ungudirector wakhe ungumentor wakhe xa kusithiwa uyancemba and umbone and uyenza phambi kwakho carefree. How would you navigate that, Sithando Sam?
I personally feel like if you're a director, you're also like a small parent because the moment that you crown you ube we director ukhona like you're trusting her with your brand uba ayikhulise.
Exactly.
And the moment ebona yena senzeka ezazinto ukuncemba yonto inhle.
Exactly.
It's
Nakubani
not a
na.
good thing. And come like into ndithanda uyithetha is that bana if kangokwam benzathi if you're under the age of 16 ngasungajoli because you're doing things immaturely.
Yeah.
Wenza izinto umuncu wenza izinto uleqwa yifame because now ufuna ubona ba ndihamba nami. I feel like at the second time I feel like the more umntu xa igqitha ukhana maka interview like avavanye to make sure ba wena ufit na for you to andithi umntu xa ekhana like you being a brand ambassador.
Exactly.
Ndimzekela nguMiss Sama, you being a brand ambassador kaMiss Sama.
Yes.
And wesimisa amadimbaza xa uzobona wena usenza izinto bekumele ba unqanda abantwana kuzo like you're not like a good example.
Yes.
Asithi ba mabangajoli ke
No, because sebejola
So
kakade.
yeah, so John.
but
Sebejola.
ngaske umuntu ayenze into open mindedly abhadle
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
ufuna uceba xa ndizobona wena kaloku mandibe nentloni
Yeah.
Zintloni
It's
ezibalulekileyo.
zintloni ndibone uba yhu Bianca undibonile uzawuthini.
Yeah.
I feel like laa nto lack of discipline apha kuwe.
Sometimes you can say nyani akandibonanga okokuqala. Okwesibini no man uthukile. Okwesithathu akubonisa no candidly Jack candidly but no I'm doing this and I'm doing it in front of you.
I feel like at the same time kufanele nathi sibaxhela uba guys if ke niyajola niyancamba ngaske xa sisiza
Nibaleke.
ewe xa even
Baleka.
umuntu umdala uhamba nomfana uqomba you mama
You are so.
cause change direction direction
Ewe.
ezazinto
But nathi sikhula sisenza those things.
I
always say now, not a single day in my teenage years I've never done ncemba. Zange.
because you fear abantu abadala.
Abadala. Umakhulu wami ngumuntu omkhulu ecaweni. Imagine xa kuthiwa
Kuzothiwa nangu umntana
Hamba nabafana.
But
yeah, ndiyakuva.
And part of workshops, if you are a director, like you must normalize empowerment workshop. Like, is like call out abantu oqonba aba umzekele bangangakuva wena but bangamva omnye
Umuntu
umuntu
omkhulu.
okanye umuntu osuku experience lanto yambeka kwindlela enga.
Engathanga.
I think
yazi ndifuna uthatha kwenye i-touch subject yazi directors.
Yeah.
So locally the e-pageants ezininzi like pageant events ezenzekayo.
I can see.
You can see no? So thina abantu bazivambileyo we have like i-reviews ezingakho grand but ezinye sifele siqombe ukuba okay sure at least bayazama umzekelo like if I can name i-event eyi-1 Mr and Miss Face of Dumbaza. At first I thought nah man le event but until xa sihambe ezinye event sabona no that was better. That was good actually because anzonema event event specific yeah. So kule event safuma kwafunyaniswa uba even ne-directors siyasela and stuff. I-show iyaqhuba that time.
Everyone is intoxicated.
Yeah, but everyone.
Directors,
even the hosts.
judges, hosts, some of the contestants, minors.
Even some of like
undona umsebenzi we-beauty pageant kanti kwi-community ifuna like what is the motto behind the beauty pageant kwenzeka ntoni?
Yeah, yes.
They think they can replicate what Miss Summer did 2022.
Yeah.
They saw the movement. They thought
But then
the beauty
Miss
pageant
Summer was
movement.
different because Miss Summer une-motto, une-vision.
Exactly. Still has the still has that same thing. Still continues, but they see us and it's ne. They see us doing these competitions.
How we can do this?
Bakonde.
People think hosting a competition is
bekwazi ukwenza le
easy.
way osora. Ngobani osora. Ngobani bona
Yeah,
for kwenza yebo. It's that attitude. They never know until we are there. Nyanu nyansile. The events we've ukone for me there's only one that I can just say was good.
Yeah.
But like even though bentando lento kapra le make him like yathetha
Funa uvakala.
like akajonga again ayivakali for le
Yayavakala.
you make him ngiphi kana
Noqala.
ku3 oh hi sorry okay so so I know bentando name any lento
We do have to name.
but I have to and yes the like event
Allegedly, let's just face this. Allegedly, it is said that.
Yeah.
Hey, ngakuba ke ngoku.
my
Teta check. Teta.
so there was
We have to protect legal
Yeah,
action.
yeah.
Now
We have to
forever hold
protect
your
legal
peace.
action.
so there was event engame sangibini yala event okay Mr and Miss Face of Diversity.
Oh my lord.
Mr and
I was the
Miss
photographer there. Did you know that?
yeah
Yeah.
we date people man and he has 28
Yeah.
Ah,
28.
me 28
28.
Ah,
It was on the 28th of last month.
October.
so into enzeka over so sindivile okay but benzothini lapha kula event
You were there
Oh.
to witness us being a judge.
Yeah, for me, I'm support us being a judge.
And we were also there for the same reason.
Say wonke umuntu.
Wonke umuntu who is a fan of us.
Siyele panje as
Supporters
supporters
us.
ascending. So we see us activate the event but yeah, but it I just hope abantu bazozenza zonke as a event and stuff, and I just hope bazo change, because I do really hope as the event get better and better and better. I do understand the first annual event, yeah, but I just hope guys. I like want the event planners today.
It was very disappointing.
I feel like, but guys, I feel like on a serious note, each event should have a reason, a vision. Because you can't just host an event just to operate.
And at the same time, you cannot host an event. You cannot be a model and think that you can host a pageant event. And it's all pageant models. Event. Ingumthwalo lanto. Ifune pageant akune vision. Ingumthwalo lanto.
It's all.
And guy hosting a competition. Diva.
Yeah. Enough, but yeah, enough, man. Enough about Windows strategy. Let's get better guest.
Yeah.
Man, I think yeah. If you get promises in your parts, basically business don't basis if you call. But I'm not for joke was about your pageant journey. About because man, the bonus Miss
KW.
What pushed you to pursue modeling?
I started pageantry emaskanyise kono 4 years.
You.
Mna.
So in that dal.
Yeah. But then into nje kubantu enqangele esikolweni.
Yeah.
In 2020, that's where I started thinking as modeling has a
Impact.
an impact. That's where I started. Mna ndangenela ndingabi na moto. I'm freaking doing it. Listen, can't get a good diary. Back on message diary, come on, okay. Mandela, education is the key. Education is the key. I didn't think as modeling as something that is gonna be impactful. I didn't think like in modeling, but you are a brand ambassador, you're a leader, you have to be
someone strong.
On 20
maintain an image.
On 2020, that's where it all started. So each and everything that I embarked on, I tandas. And I was like, izaba yintoni imoto yam, because I don't want to be andifuna ukuthi bana imoto yam education, because wonke umuntu imoto yakhe education, and wonke umuntu it's black empowerment, it's women empowerment. That is izaba yintoni na ndabe ndibukele I was watching another into ye politics, just politics so I was watching lando here, and then angiqamba pha no man Dabendi kabe kuthethwa nga women of the about women who marched for human rights, don't know from you, and I was like, okay, motto yam, it's women solidarity, because I enjoyed the unity that they had back then, and I wish that unity that they had back then,
the one Winnie Mandela built,
could be the unity that us women could have now, because I believe that if women could come could together, like a lot of things can be accomplished. Because I'm not trying to bash men, but men are not the good image that we had back then. And men are not angababantu esinothembela kubo.
No, not at all.
Okay.
So if us women are united, we can conquer each and everything that we want to do. Like, that's why I say, okay, women solidarity is what I believe in. And then I entered. My first competition was a national competition, Miss Golden Heart. Like, I didn't enter a local competition. I was like, Zangenelu national.
Yeah.
And then I went there. The second president got Miss Golden Heart. I won Miss Photogenic and Miss Best Interview. And then I entered Miss King.
Yeah.
Then I won Miss King. Then Miss Teen Unity.
Then that's Sakupuk.
We are still going. I just want to see you on the stage of Miss SHM. I don't want to. We do need you. We do need someone.
You paved the way for modelers here by actually like
entering,
by just entering, even by winning Miss Miss King Williams.
Miss King.
Yes.
I think nyam Miss King Western was a big impact.
It really was.
Like yeah, game changer. She got vroom. Again, now when I entered, I'm going to dance in front of my model. I was told that hey, but model for China. I was like, why not?
Yeah.
Why
And
not?
I loved your heels, bro. Like your heels were just up there. Like they have you, bruh.
And I think that's one thing that pushed me more back to hey, bo. Ngena kanjani umfutshane tata kungumfundisi uhamba ngebikini phakathi kwabantu. I was like, why not? Ukhona imodeling eBhayibhelini, ukhona uEsther, why not ingazuyenza? And then I did.
Anzazi nebhesi pipe. And you must.
Oh, I have a question on you winning Miss King Williams. How you accomplished that title by doing whilst you were doing grade 12?
No, grade 11.
Oh, okay. And how exactly did you manage
To balance.
Work balance, school, modeling. Because bohlula.
Hey,
exactly?
balance. If umuntu okwazi multitask land, because if when I was a final scam Miss King doing dances grade 11, dances grade 11, I was like, hey, I got balance up because it's like after 2 months I photo shoot bay camp, so I was then excited about using an boot camp and all that, and get when the no man ndiyalekisha ngapha
Esikolweni.
ewe and then kwanyanzeleka kuba ndingabi na phone mama wangixuthela ifone kulapho ndaqala ukwazi manage. Like I feel like ifuna nomuntu oyaziyo ba modeling and
Time management.
time management, modeling and school work together.
Yeah.
And yazi benza kuthini ba andiyazi man, but
You
you
put on those strict ozabe or guide
but-
this is what you're going to do now. This is what you're going to do
and
now.
even
Someone who's a strong hand.
and Miss Kate buthi by prioritize land. Each and every time you must send your report ba uyapasa awukwazi by model engapasi engafundiyo.
You?
Kuthiwa hayi kaloku njani kanjani girl you kuthiwa kosilinde ireport yakho.
Nobubhatele registration 150.
Yes.
Kosilindile.
So andifuma ngathi umuntu onochuku man. Andifuma ngathi onochuku. Xa uvayo man ukhipha uthatha izindawo
Yo hayi andisithatha mas.
Ngensule yi-1 namaba
So like yeah, so uvayo like uthi ngeke ba yena she jumped from being from uqaleni to participate ku national level. Yeah, kuqala. Ndifuna mina andile ndikancacisele ezwe national levels because we have all Eastern Cape, we have all South Africa, we have like I just abasetimbaza. So I just wanted to understand.
Hayi njani kaloku.
Kamera Jack ne.
Hayi mandiniva.
Mamela kaloku ne ovayo jonga. Ayo attack lene but I'm sure omnye umuntu owayibonayo lento kwisisa sakho mhlawumbe naye uzayicinga ngabo why yebo. There was a time you posted ba wena awuzongenela i-local pagans ntontoni yebo.
I posted.
Yeah. Can you tell us why, like why ungazongenela as a local?
Apart from that nyani, I will never enter a local competition again.
Why?
Because yonke into uyenza ube ne-motive. Umzekelo awunothi ufunda e-high school uyongenela i-competition ese-primary.
Yeah.
I-competition ayifani. And ke ngoku into endenza uba ndibana asoze ndiphinde ndingenele local competition is that I have 2 national titles and xa ndizophinde ndingenele i-local andiyazi man.
It's like
umzekelo soze umbona ubona ngimatheba ehosta into ya local.
That's so
Okay.
Andiyazi banzayibe kanjani.
I think considering lana ebethe uzibekwe inqala epha phezulu so ke ngoku akabuya I think iyavakala.
And I did enter local competition with Miss King, or the only local competition in Miss King.
Was it local?
And
Miss King is local.
Local. Xa useqonga.
Sama like sithi kaloku yifeature lo King yabo. So like
Uzeqonqa.
BCM ngala ayikho local but yeah osibona ezi unazo wena
But people will tell she has like 2 national titles.
Yeah.
But
Big.
someone.
and village like andikuvile but
And I feel like that also aligns with what our ghost lady said. Ukubana, like
Please just-
kids, our local kids see you as like a big idol, and I feel like you entering in like those big positions actually made them be more motivated.
Yeah.
Made them more inspired. Yeah,
And me entering in national competition, it's not that like in this jungle panty provincial competition or Eastern
Yeah.
Cape or that. Like in their time to test.
Yeah.
Ndiyathanda uzitesta.
Balekile lana.
And ke kulanda iya indibethe because national competition bayandibhulisha. Yeah.
Baxelele amagama siyafika sizoza.
Locations in us.
and that also goes to
Locations
to
lab.
another question. What exactly keeps you motivated to continue with your pageants?
That keeps me motivated.
Ini role model kaso.
Yeah.
Ini ndundun. Ma.
No. Eromo jam ngithabisa mkhwebi, ipasta kwalapha King. No.
Fact checking right now.
Thabisa mkhwebi. Ewe. Akaya model.
Huh?
Yes, sis speaker, sis ipasta ewe.
Okay.
Yes.
also like iwe athethayo
Keeps me motivated. And me being in empowerment position like umzekelo, eGauteng I do have like in King with this girl win that keeps me motivated each and every month. Ndiyaphaya arc to dogalel petrol. Bomb.
Yeah.
Okay.
And even if in Pretoria, ikhona enye girl power and like kuya ngendawo endiyazi kuwe mfana ndiyazi ba ikhona empowerment girl empowerment and involve kuwe because andikazuluze focus mina xa ndifika
Yeah. So nazi ilo way keep.
Tonsi la lapha.
So
ke ukujongana ukubuzile lo ba mhlawumbi into
motivator yeah.
what keeps me motivated.
Thabiso mkhwebi which is most mhlawumbi yi speaker like motivational speaker
Yeah.
as imodel enguwe esezayo kahle sibe zikhona ezinye imodel eziphezulu like because isipha imodel ayikho qoma mhlawumbe ngasibe yiyo mhlawumbe like kwezi izipha okanye wena
Ngase ndifikelela level yayo.
Yeah.
Bra besides ufika ku level like but osibona ngathi mhlawumbe ngathi mhlawumbe ube nguye uphile like
Ndiyakuva.
yeah
You zininzi.
name 2
3.
Name 3.
Top 3.
Top three. The top three.
Uzimi Mabunzi kwalapha eMqongo. It's Ulalela.
Wait, quick question.
Lalela. Miss
Could you
S.
please like tell us, or according to your list, their accomplishments, like their titles?
bayeke mina na ku Instagram yawo
Yes, now Insta.
Zimi Mabunzi.
okay akubizi bona
And Lalela Mswane. Lalela Sana Miss SA like what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And nguNonelela Nzube like yena akaka accomplish but Nonelela Nzube sisinoni.
Yeah. Yeah, siyamazi
Lo
Facebook. Such an accomplished lady. Do you know who Nonelela Nzube is? Ufani
Pete.
uyamazi na ngido.
No,
So like ngoba abantu yeah. But like andiyazi ngoba umbuzo wami ukhatywe lecaleni okanye.
hayi ukhatyelwanga ndifuna uphinda ubuyele kuwo
ndifuna ukuzwe like le yenashi like
i-competition I think
I-competition.
ujayibeke kakuhle Jack i-question kaJack ithi over there's competitions as lapha eDimbaza and some in King ne that take on a name mhlawumbe sithi masithi ngomiss not Miss Sam. Miss Sam is not that. Masithi Miss Universe, ne apelokishin, ne Miss Universe EC.
Njani kaloku?
Kodwa lapha eDimba.
Universe no EC.
Abadibani.
Yebo.
Hayi kodwa. Ihambe bangubani hostayo.
Bengafuni nothi Miss Universe. Masithi Miss Dimbaza.
EC.
But lapha eDimbaza.
Hayi chom kaloku njani? U-EC kaloku provincial.
Like
But kukhona ezinye competition ke besikuzo thina.
Akala
essay. Kodwa lapha eDimbaza.
Hayi
Hayi kaloku
kudala.
njani?
But it's lapha eDimbaza.
Bruv, yeah, I feel like
la yabo Mr. Mtimbaza EC.
it just like that. I feel like it just goes with the fact that they lack creativity.
Exactly.
They lack creativity. They just take on what is already created. Yabo?
Yeah.
And they try to make it theirs because of like it must.
Now what have
Ubani ubona ku Miss Overthinker isinqumba. Can I be Miss Never Give Up. Miss HIV and AIDS, I was I guys. And I was like, oh, stop it. Who's gonna enter Miss HIV and AIDS?
Miss HIV and AIDS.
No COVID, yes.
Imhlambi kaloku kukho abantu bangafuni uyaziwa theniza ba bebengena sugar culture ke mhlambi awareness
HIV awareness.
Kuko enye isource guys, it's a clinic. Ithi inazika.
I feel like umuntu xa ezocreate competition makacinge igama elizo
Ezolmela yena.
I feel like Inatika, the name of the
ozove
event
kuvumbulula igama.
should go with like Inatika vision, the motto of
Especially
of the
yabona thina
brand.
we said Miss. There was already a Miss Dimbaza.
Yeah.
We wanted to say Miss Dimbaza. Khona.
Ukhona sesiqala ukuchuku
Khona Miss Dimbaza. Thina competition yethu sifuna uyihosta nini?
Yeah.
Summer season. Die out ndondoni. Yabo. Thina motto. Architects of our own destiny.
Yeah.
Very nice, very simple,
nice.
very subtle.
Very demure.
Yebo. Mindful.
Mindful.
Yeah, ibone ke ngoku.
Yeah.
So ke ngoku we said Miss Summer Dimbaza.
Yeah.
And ke ngoku Miss Summer ulula. There's Miss Summer EL, there's Miss Summer Limpopo, there's
Pedi.
Miss Summer Pedi, there's Miss Summer Ginsberg.
And
Kuku Dimbaza ke ngoku. Yabo we own indawo thina sikuyo and we're very proud to say Dimbaza. Dimbaza
Inezigaba but yeah.
But we take pride.
We take pride. Yabo.
Yeah.
But Miss
I
Summer
love
Dimbaza.
Dimbaza.
Khasithi Miss Summer EC. I feel like singamthamo Miss Summer EC xa sesinathi mhlambe provincial level. Sesine bylaws zethu sesizilungisile and stuff yabo.
And awunothi ngumiss indlela ngizakele ngumiss Summer SA. Soquba. Abantwana xa bawina lip gloss eziyi5. Ekhona competition national was like lip gloss it is very 5. It is very 5.
Unyaka nalolandela.
Soquba i-second runner up. Rengaka vast clap etwe.
Yeah.
Asoze over.
Because banazo competitions ngena ngoba sibancinci ubini toothbrush. I was like
Sesikolweni.
SA.
Kana kahlamba seka. Sikubonile kwazi ungenela but
Come elevate.
No, njani?
Okay. But yeah.
So you mentioned indaba yakho ye pageant but uyiva kuwe maqe. Yabo. And we've seen now, apart from that personally, I don't know about the others. I've seen on social media that you are like open for entries, yabo. I don't know whether the name of the organization or a pageant. I just wanna know, get like deeper.
But
I want you to explain. I want to hear it from the horse's mouth. And if only rumors can understand.
The Face of Esther is an organization that also has a pageant because when I'll figure what's the stage and figure like
Yeah.
if you have plans of entering like a national competition if I don't know Miss SA or Miss Universe, you must
Yeah.
have your own organization.
Yes.
You must have not necessarily, but you have your own organization, but you must have something that's tangible.
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
this is mine.
Yeah.
This is whatnot. The reason why I said it's the Face of Esther organization as a branch of pageant is because the organization when I do stuff for me to be able to post mhlambi izinto mhlambi I ndenze charity work PPP yonke into yami ibe pha and then ibe competition the Face of Esther
Nayo
iphana
Yeah.
like izaba yinto yami like yonke like
Yonke.
angithandi bene page as different like
Yeah.
ngase yonke icolors
Yeah.
but then it's the Face of Esther andikayiqhuba registration that's why ndizivaleli entrance like
Okay.
I have to start registering first registration and then bene approval
Okay.
manager ba ndingayiqala.
Okay.
So that's why.
That's good. That's good. But fuck, I forgot my question now.
I didn't forget kule nto yamagama ne ubuthe uza neyakhe pageant mosne so masiqale pha elakhe igama leyakhe ipageant mhlawumbe sowunalo wena mhlawumbe.
I do have. It's the
Withini?
Face of Esther.
Okay, so is it gonna be a local event for Apetimaza or City Cal PCM Miss King or
It's gonna be local first because I now amandla to
Okay.
host as Ngula now.
okay 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 so ke ngoku for abantu abaza bebukelele le episode ne mhlambi bafune ungenela ithini emotive mhlambi la emotive page yakho qoma mhlambi yabona izobakela ba
abantu
i-aim
bafuna
yayo
ukungena. Yeah.
ba like bangena abantu mhlambi ithini
aim the Face of Esther. Face of Esther is a biblical pageant.
Okay.
Yebo.
njani ke
So
sorry my bad
the reason why I hosted a biblical competition is I've realized throughout my pageant years is that andisenza into without the direction of the Lord andiyindawo.
okay
Meaning when yonke into must uyayenza uthandaze.
yeah
And if you know your identity, know who you are, and you have an identity in Christ, yonke into zakhe ithi cela ugote eBhayibhelini.
It's fine.
Give us
Give us the verse.
It's
The
fine.
verse of the day.
Ithi
Maheshe
bana
utakhuthaza.
seek my presence first, and all these things will follow.
yes
Funa mna kuqala.
yeah
It's actually the motto of Face of Esther.
okay
Seek his kingdom first, and all things will follow.
okay
The reason why I hosted a biblical competition is because bambalwa youth ecaweni. Umzekelo ecaweni yami bambalwa youth, and
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep our and the pageant more exciting. And ndithi bayizaba ne restriction like izafana nayo yonke enye pageant yonke into izakwenza
yeah.
yonke, but it's going to be biblical.
umzekelo mhlambi
It's going to be
questions from i-judges izoba ezicawa mhlambi
no.
It's just gonna be
Ah.
based. Kaloku like
No,
yona event
andizokuza ngoyophi phana nentombi ezilishumi. No.
But
Oh,
okay, yeah.
Hayi contract yakho izawurevoke wena.
But like, I'm actually glad unakwaithe la part of your judges because of why bengena mbona kwi-judging panel. Bengimiss summer last year kuthi mosina.
Yes.
Bengimiss summer last year. So
Yes,
what about
2023 sasisaroma sonke.
Nyasil,
No Amanda Siyo, no Sisa Jess.
so how was the experience? Can
being a judge is hard.
Thank you very much.
Being a judge is hard. Nashem, I prefer being a speaker on a pageant than more than being a judge. Because what if I get nkethe? Like,
Yeah, and you have to choose.
you have to choose. And get go into yinthethele mna like I rate. Iba pha questions.
Yeah. Abong boyisa.
No matter how you look beautiful
Aye, shit.
and stuff. It's
Who are
about
you?
the mouth.
Who are you?
It's about the brain. It's about the brain.
Being a judge is very hard.
So like besides Miss Summer, we can name kwa
It's Miss Inventive.
Oh, I ndiyakhumbula leya.
Bingenele
Alufred.
Sese Mayekis. Yes.
Oh.
Are you good? Are you fine?
But
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Freedom of speech, my guy.
Please.
So yeah. So Nale, it was good and stuff.
It was good.
Yeah. And yazi, yonke nje yayiqhubisa. That's my problem. Ningandicancelisha after the episode.
Petrol.
Nice. So judge judging panel.
Oh, to go, I think that is
Sithethile nge-local events
Yes.
ezenzekayo.
Oh, no, it's still good.
So ke ngoku kwelentokazi zethu kwezi panels local allegedly kodwa kukho abantu that are judging unfairly
bahamba ngezikoshiti zabo
ngezikoshiti zabo
baza nezikoshiti zabo
And
kodwa competition inazo izikoshiti sayo.
It's personal. Like they judge a person or
Where
like
have you been?
But judge a inanzika.
It's the reason why I don't like being on local competitions because andibana nto nozichuku
umzekelo
because uthetha kwami izoba ngathi
umzekelo ndithi ndikwi-judging panel ndizama usepela le weba yenzekayo ndikwi-judging panel kungenela
masithi ungenela Miss Magic masithi Magic Miss Magic imaginary pageant asifuna umention asifuna ubethwa Jack
but okay kungena iminati kungenela iminati so no iminati sinento zethu iminati yebo so mna ndifike nandijudge okay don't ngoku
bayikusheka
abanengxaki zawo so like namushephela about we have like personal things no iminati ne so abantu bafike benze loo nto they judge on a personal level. So ndifuna ukudala I just wanted to shape it low way njani
yakhe yakhona ke sana enye into like I feel like mna xa uyijudge into zakhe ezipersonal zishiye egeyithini nje
sibeke ecaleni
because ngoku xa uyijudge uncedisana ne-director because noba ithuni ne-vision nifuna ukhupha lo mntu wale brand so ke ngoku xa uzofika uqonda uba andizumjaja lo waye ndenze into ethile doesn't make sense
it doesn't align with the brand ye-directors. Yonke into oyenzayo as a judge you need to align with the wishes
and ke kunjani bandiza ne-score sheet sam ke ngoku nindiyandibhid
in terms of score sheet
ikhona enye into ndicela ubuza ne besike sayidiscuss leno apha evekini ne is it possible into yoba wena caba mos apparently mhlawumbi umuntu uba nesikoshit sakhe individual as i-model ne so ke uxa mhlawumbi ubungenyele omiss inventive mhlawumbi aba-national uzongenyela umiss king o local lo way iyashisa isikoshit sakho i-point zakho okanye iyazinyusa because there was i-model allegedly kukho i-model ne ibizawungenela
Miss KWT.
Yeah. Miss King yabo.
Yaseyangenela uMiss Sama.
Wangenela.
Wathi ke ngoku uMiss Sama wathi uyaphula out kuMiss Sama because izamosha iscore sheet sakhe sika Miss KWT. She was a finalist at the time. And we also had a finalist who entered Miss Sama and said, "No, there's no such."
And
Miss Sama no Miss King bangenaphi
okay
like kaloku zibrand eziyi-2 like umzekelo mhlawumbi ndingenele uMiss King ndangenela uMiss Sama ayidibani as long uba Miss King angazuklesha no Miss Sama like ayidibani
Okay, ayidibananga na-score sheets kubumamele.
Ayidibananga na-score sheets. Imacala ninike i-definition ye-score sheet. Yintoni i-score sheet kuqala?
I-score sheet kaloku sesinani sifumene kuMiss Sama esi sijaja abantwana.
Ngoku
abanye baza nazo apparently as a finalist nina nine-score sheet. As a finalist uyajajwa.
And apparently what you do aside from like competing with Unazika or Miss KWT, it affects Unazika score sheet circle if you do anything aside from it.
Yeah.
Hey, andiniva ke ngoku. Eseninzi ndinithela nithi.
Ovayo.
Hey.
Ovayo. Uyi-finalist 2022 ka Miss KWT.
Yes.
Nezinye i-finalist that you entered with. Niyajajwa apparently. Nina nizi-finalist. Usene-score sheet uyi-finalist uyilondo uyi-finalist. From charity work don and stuff. Apparently. So xa ungenele any competition, apparently iyas affecta said score sheet as a finalist.
Ayitsho.
Ayikho. Invalid.
No.
Chomi ayikho.
The only thing that affects umuntu umzekelo yakwazi umuntu ungenele i-competition eziyi-2 ngexesha eliyi-1
ayi-finalist
elong uba yena nawo amandla namandla
and ngaloo mandla akhe
if you do remember
uzwine zombini
that's
just gonna boost
Miss KWT last year was in December. Yes, because you had to crown, right? Exactly. Said girl did not even come back with the title, but as collabo. And this is Moshe's score sheet.
Hey!
It's deep, man.
Udrope nge-mic. Udrope uMiss Sama nge-mic.
Okay, next.
Akabuyanga ne-crown, not even a trophy.
Okay, next.
But guys,
Okay, next.
okay, next.
Okay, next. Thank you, next.
You.
Ayisebenzi Solomon.
You. But it's hot. It's hot la we. Ke sama nyanyano.
Yeah, it's
Sama
really
like
summer.
sama nyanyano.
Okay. Yazi sasingakaphumi kakhulu pha kulanto ye-score sheet, but ayimalana ne-score sheet. Lambuzo nje bensithi ndiwulibele lo. Wena Ovayo, you know most as uMiss Sama. And the competition has new questions, there's new competitions, but as Miss Sama, I feel like you also taught us that. But someone who is in a judging panel needs to be someone of stature, someone who's big, someone who's qualified. Someone,
yes.
But it was good that we even went as far as recruiting or model or business scholar or something. Angabi model J, and I'll be high school model.
And kukumehluko. Ninsi umehluko.
Or business scholar, that could be college, that could be university. Ungaspana but ube nento yakho esecaleni. Yep. Yebo, someone who has qualifying tontoni
Qualification.
yeah ivandon
Yeah.
kubekho a businesswoman or businessman, someone who's a motivational speaker, someone who's
Have an
On a
impact.
status.
yeah abantu I wake up with a purpose, I have to hustle.
Yeah.
You know, abantu abane qualifications. Recently kwishow besikuyo i-judges were grade 11 and grade 9 zimodels zonke.
No.
Talubuza, are they, and they're all models, ne? And I'm sure like they're bonke bane title is 4 or 5 under their belts, ne?
Oh guys, Pelo ungabecha for le. Oyiwani wabo is a professional.
Ivan.
Professional one.
Ivan.
First of all, I feel like mna i-director xa ikhetha i-judges.
Ikhetha high school.
Ingxaki iqala apha. Umuntu xa bacinga ndine-sesh ndiyi-model. Umuntu bacinga uyi-model kodwa yiyo model. I-model akusuba kuba une-sesh. I-model iyenziwa, iyazenza. Awunoti ufumene i-sesh ucinge uyi-model. Awunoti ucinga ukwazi uhamba ucinga i-model. Manje i-model yi-leader.
Yes. Even the word says it. Model.
Yeah.
So bona bacinga once ndibe ne-sesh and
Human of importance.
once ndibe ne-sesh indenza ndibe i-model. Once ndibe ne-sesh nam it means that I am capable. Bandingangenela uMiss SA. Maybe you do have the capabilities, but once been a search, I learned a model. And once been a search, I learned that you are able to judge a competition. Once been a search, I learned that you can be able to host a competition because I'm not in the competition, and I win Miss High School, Miss Confidence, and think that I can be able to host a competition.
Yeah.
Gay vision. And then when I hold a competition, you even spell wrong entrepreneur because I can never can I born that
off.
Judges is aleminyaka zalemihla sisi have
even no Miss SA.
Hey guys, I have qualifications. Did you notice the judging panel ka Miss SA yangonyaka?
And
Do you
even
know that bekukho title even lo models eziyi-2 ka Miss SA bezipha bezikwi-judging panel, but they're also busy with people, busy with something, with qualifications.
And akunyanzelekanga umuntu ke sana beyijudge kuze beyimodel. You can mhlawumbe uthathe umuntu ku-beauty industry, uthathe umuntu omaziyo ba uyawazi lo mcinde uzawuchana. I'm not
Lord. My Lord.
I'm not ubone uOvayo. Okay, Ovayo natural traditions eziyi-2 ungu-Miss King ndifuna beyijudge. But awuyazi imoto ka-Ovayo, awuyazi uOvayo i-advocacy yakhe bayenza ntoni. Umzekelo abanye abantwana i-advocates zabo like is to I stand for black people because sasihlupheka. Okay, so I understand a lot. And
there's a kid that mentioned the advocacy part. There's a kid that mentioned when you competition that mentioned but he advocates for cancer awareness.
Yes.
And that kid is actually busy
with
cancer
awareness.
And I was like, you're speaking something that is true to you, my G.
And not just speaking something
not just because stage you actually speak what you do.
What you do, umzekelo, as I've said, but I advocate for women's solidarity. I do umzekelo mna ndiyazambi workshop ze women empowerment. I am gaining strength, but how can I implement lento? Like the movement of women united. Ndingayenza njani? I'm not in the fun. I stand for black. I stand for anti-pens down, but my pens down. When you're the first person to. You're the first person to. Akutwa ziyawa uwenazo. Njani?
Also, guys, you Nancy Nomia Umbuzo based on these events with unqualified judges.
Yeah.
Do school like is Golo Masin is Golo Zangoku like is host nazo
it's Golo yeah.
Yes, but like Bona they do like is it right for them to like put learners that are modelers in the judging panel aside from like qualified
no
because galoko omnye ichomi yakhe pha
and then thanda uyithethe mna if you host a competition ngaske ijudges zakho zingaziwa
ewe
zingaziwa because zabana lanto ba okay ijudge umaqabanga sikanjani uzathetha nizamfakela envelope a day before.
Oh, thank you. Uyasichubisa Ovayo.
Ndizamfanza vese ndimhlohlela ndithi ukubana undixelela bandenza wrong umane usithi ingxaki mna abantu baye babenochuku kum xa bendifaka kwi-judging panel because bathi ndiyajama ndiyanquma
intle loo nto
like at the same time enyenza ii-models be-uncomfortable the reason why phofu mna mandithi ndiyathanda unquma seke ndinjinginjingi mna like you hardly see me ndihleka ndihamba ndodwa okanye ndithi kwi-pageant channel because andifuni laa nto bengathi ndenza i-relationship nawe xa uhamba emodel undibona uba ingxakweni uzawuba khona omnye umzali kungene mhlawumbi ungene eBianca ndincume uzathi Bianca that's why eminisile umncumile kodwa kwam umntana kangancume ndinquma ide uyophela i-competition because andifuni into ezifani noba wenza into erayithi ndizavekise ndithi ndiyancuma xa uguquka uze ngomva ndibhale because andifuni laa nto bengathi uyamazi Ovayo ndine-favorite even though ndibekhona uba okay abantwana benza kakuhle nyhani ndifuna uncuma
How do we navigate abazali abathenga titles for abantwana?
How about who invested?
Besides but too invested, my G. There's and then what unyatsa potential yomntana ke?
Imhlamba andikuva kuba uthatha isiXhosa cela uyikhumshe. Thini?
How do we navigate parents as briber judges to abantwana baba babuye ne-titles?
Umntana wakho ke kuzawukhula njani xa manje ubribe?
Leno andama abanyatsa potential yomntana okanye they don't like the ID. Because it's like what the use,
Having
what's the use of the name?
Ukuba sessions ezininzi doesn't make you potential model. Ukuba umzekelo uzozibini une title eyi-1 Miss SA. Ushudu fathu une title eyi-1 Miss SA. So ke kodwa xa ucinga ba uzaba Miss over 50 plus titles doesn't make you like a potential.
And we have said models that have run over 20 titles, they are not even 16.
In lando iya ibabethe. Umzekelo zininzi i-models ezingenela Miss SA ezine titles ezigcwalisa room, i-trophies ezigcwalisa room, but abamngena Miss SA. You know why? Because ku Miss SA beyazi ba okay, over wayengenele Miss Summer Dimbaza ngo-2024. Wamwina. Wenze ntoni? Ngala title. And umregrainile na. Umregrainile na. Umzekelo na each and every time the enter competition dibana gap Miss KWT 2022 zange ngenele competition 2023 ndangena Miss Teen Unity 2024 uzaphelele nyaka ndingengena until Miss Teen Unity ayo hostwa ngoFebruary and can be able bandingenele enye competition. Yes, like xa ungenele competition you hayibo guys
sesh collectors. You mentioned something of representation, ne? Do you think as our local as Miss Sama as the local pageant yalapha eTimbaza, because it's only manditi the local pageant and is niki credibility mna ngokwapha eTimbaza, it's Miss Timbaza no Miss Sama Timbaza. Sorry if I'm blowing my own horn, uzixhome buyafuna, but sorry. Do you think as the local pageant besides Miss Timbaza, because Miss Timbaza I grand, Miss Sama as a local pageant, are we heading in the right direction?
Yeah, as an organization.
Besides the organization.
Like Miss Sama Timbaza is
Miss Sama Timbaza kaloku yayiqonda ba competition ye-YCC.
I do.
Asiyeke ni YCC organization iyodwa.
Yeah.
Not that
Miss Sama. Do you feel like Miss Sama is heading in the right direction?
Not that ndifuna undipraise kuba nilapha or that ndifuna like on your good
because kudala si honest nathi.
Say what's on your mind.
Personally feel like Miss Sama Timbaza like is in the good books, but into ndifuna like to touch up on is vision yenu, like must have empowerment workshop xa kuze finalists, because most of finalists ziyathanda ukhanda zihambe zikexa endleleni. If nini andithi ni straight, make sure napha kwi-finalist nithi hey host empowerment workshop ezawukwenza ba i-finalist zibe umzekelo Miss Sama Dimbaza is not only like preparing like for bona, sibalungiselela for the next competition, because umuntu uyakwazi ungenela Miss Sama Dimbaza again confidence aqonda ba okay I can
take on Miss KWT.
Like yenzani and ndifuna like imbene like empowerment workshop kakhulu, like to make sure ba bazaba fit more xa bengenela ezinye umuntu angagunqanda yona eyi-1.
Okay, and then my follow-up question is what's your opinion on our recent queens, knowing that teen queen yethu nguXolo, Miss Sama Dimbaza queen was uSlatsha Iminati? What is your hi Sisi, were you not there?
I was there.
What were you doing on the judging panel?
Timdala.
No.
I personally feel like
she has a lot going on though.
She's what we need in Timbaza.
Yeah.
I feel like on my intake on the recent queens.
Yes. As do you feel like they represented the brand? Do you feel what's your take on our queens, and should we really be proud of saying they're our queens?
I feel like I'm not in the position to say such because ngumsebenzi with directors to make sure that bakwi direction right. And like andifuna uthetha into kuthiwa ovayo into akandithanda.
Data.
Mfowuni.
Silapha sizi directors location. Sila.
I feel like as Queen did do regrain, but andinothi ndikhumbula Miss Team Sama Dimbaza get regrain yakhe wenze into ethile. Like andinothi ba okay yiyo into wayenza andiyazi benza ibeka nje they do regrain kakuhle and abana bad regrain like yonke into ebenza kakuhle but we need to see more mabebe. I feel like each and every queen might be active with page ka Miss Sama Dimbaza may make sure because win a title like you are a brand ambassador yalando like showcase yourself.
A problem here to over and I feel like kuba ke wena ke usaziwa strict abanye abantu bakwazi strict and we can't run away from that. Was strict ne? I feel like when it comes to your competition, when you actually finally host your competition and when you take on the real, I'm not saying your director kuba ingekenzeki because uvaba iyansila yabo, that means nyani you are doing the work kwayinto obusindwe yabo, because inenzamo yakuyo is that once you crown that first queen, emotions are all over the place.
All over the place.
Yeah, and once you say, I entrust you get brand that I take so seriously and I don't play around with my work, you should not expect me to push you to do that work.
I am njalo. Umzekelo mna.
And I feel like it be mistake ka Miss Sama. All our Miss Samas. Queens, they expected us to push them to do more. We even upgraded our stuff, our prizes, thinking that this will be
the motivation
for you to do. Like from crowns as gogos to crowns as grand as it from sessions as tunga gogo to sessions as prindiwe.
Dude,
like I don't know what more we should do as directors Miss Sama because I don't feel like Queens as Miss Sama represented us well enough.
Very well. Wait, do you feel like Ogobana Queens as Miss Sama actually
did the work?
Align with the vision of Miss Sama?
Days and the question a lot, but we're not there. It's a story for another day.
I personally feel like umzekelo mna dangenela Miss King ndi lazy. So okay, local competition, okay, like that relax. We finalists umzekelo mna shem anikwazi uthetha nabantu bengicingana nabantu bamabavote ngase bandiposte ka1 yonke into ikhaleze yenzeke. So ke I have to push bantu guys galokuvotana and ke ku ne directors ka missing ngasithi bana guys ingxaki ndiyaphola ndiyaphola and ke kulanto iya affecta finalists. I feel like potential yam ka Miss King
would
finalist
way more.
You chomi.
And if you've just put in the work.
If then had bana ingxaki if enter point funa umuntu ocinga out of the box. I funa umuntu oseleko ulele ulinde upush. Umzekelo mna ndandipushwa nangimama. Ndilibele noba umzekelo day before kuvule entries ba yo voting lines. Ndayilibala ndiyacinga sesikolweni. Ndibona ke page ba thathe hayiba kuvule entries yangona ndivukayo and lanto eksela kuba ngumuntu opholeleyo ayikho right ngamanye amaxesha because mama bana ovaya 10 ungathi ovaya mboxhama iposter ovaya ithi kuthiwa hayibo 10 i-votes ake sezantsi kodwa zabanye ziyanyuka 10 and then go yayi ngoku sasikwi-boat cruise after boat cruise sasiyabana session like sathetha wathi umama was like you do have the potential qha ulele andiyaba ucinga kuyadlala okanye kwenzeka ntoni and it's where I started ukuva pressure
this is no longer
and ke abantu bana mistake bana iqueen uyibona xa yi-finalist like iqueen is veza ngoku iyi-finalist because it's the work that you do and the consistency ozayazi ba xa uregrain iqueen xa uwine mhlawumbi loo competition yilaa nto ubuyenza ngokuba iyi-finalist but more winning a title at bana uyi-queen is just a cherry on top. Like if unayi motive yobani ba umzekelo okay ke ndingenele Miss Sama Dimbaza ndifuna ukwenza xa ndiyi-queen ndifuna ukwenza le nale 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 just to uba ebana laa nto xa uyi-queen yenza abantu abafuna u-enter isidimbaza mo abaqonda uba ndandiyithandile into enziwa ngubani nam ndiyafuna uyenza yekani upusha man
Yo. Ovayo.
You cannot push because Miss SA abapushwa Miss South Africa abapushwa. Abapushwa
I
pa.
hope you are listening.
I hope you are guys listening because nyani
And nami ndenza enzayifundayo labaqomba sulala girl.
And your question umama andishoute Ovayo. Athi you are so soft kwabantwana. You are so soft and ibrand yenu iyawuze ihambe ilale because how can ndithi ndithetha ngomisama abanye omama bamazi kwalo misama kunini ni host up Bianca ndiqonde yabo that's not my fault fault yami kaloku ndisebenze enough hosting the show trying to everything bruh from crown sessions everything is on you venue tickets catering abantwana bazawutya ntoni bazawunxiba ntoni
judges funeke zibe on point yonke into
bruh dithi wena Thandile hey Jesus Christ the sacrifices we make dithi andinambahla kule ndawo ndikuyo I sacrifice
because you have a vision
dresses abantu I'm not one of the bayayazi nabo abantu endisebenza nabo bathi you happy younger you go far and I'm like I don't go far but I'm trying to make us a different pageant apha eDimbaza kukho pageants wena
go with the vision
ezi apha eDimbaza ba awunando unxiba sibonele uboma umntana uyayenza lento uyayithanda but akanambahla akanasihlangu mhlawumbe mna I go far and extend an olive branch and just say nasi sihlangu nanzi lokwe get on stage I you see how much I push myself for these kids but I can't push themselves for a brand.
I feel like it directors andithi mose you plan like a year before into nezayenza 2025 like you plan like ngoku nenze I feel like xa nivule entries and the finalist mabangenzi online ba interviewini mabaze ku uthi banidlemizekele ba auditions host auditions umbuzo umuntu ba fondini uzothini apha because kukho abantu utbana ungenela i-competition kube bone ayolile ngenela uqonda nami soze ngakwazi kalo kwenzela into enze ayinami zawungena okanye umuntu angenela i-competition kube pushwa ngumama ke ba hawumile kahle uslender ngena nayangene
that perception ba xa usislender
uyakwazi ungenela
it's always that stereotype.
Inabalekileyo into ikhupha emlonyeni nezinto
that's
ezenzayo.
why one of my contestants Shem Ewen, I will name her and noba kuthiwe ndiyamthanda it doesn't matter. There's a girl asithandile statement sakhe xa ethetha she said I don't know ininzi introduction yakhe ne but uthi I stand here for abantwana who are being body shamed for their weight and I'm here to show that modeling is not only for slim girls and she's thick yena ndimbona as a normal girl ba hayi man ugrand akakona that thick caba hayi kunzima like there are out like thick girls there like really thick girls ubama but iyamfanela le way ye modeling yebo because nyani it's what Ovayo said lando modeling is not just about the walks the talks the dress it's about structure. You being
perfect with
and there's also Miss Colombia. She's also like a plus size modeler. Bruh, I
so wish that we could see such girls.
More
skin acne, we don't care.
And you don't wonder like she walks with pride with all that she has to offer.
Yeah. I so wish we nabanevethalaiko torho ngicela umbona abekho into ba ndine patch skin I don't care.
Even male modelers that have like
is the champ.
There's a thing. Hey, we so sithethe la le male models.
Hey, my models khona ingxaki pha.
Hey, so sithethe but hey
my lord khona model ndathanda ikhuna indangena kodwa qobe hande qobe I get this face But yeah, still.
still.
But I do really want to know about what's next for Ovayo.
I don't like counting my eggs before they hit. Andithanda uthetha.
Yeah,
Gaske nibone ngam.
sure.
Ndithanda tada.
Yeah.
Like
Come tush.
but ikhona into endiyiphekayo. Andizaba ngongongo ngodidise ngodidise. Ikhona into
Let
endiyiphekayo.
her cook.
What is them? Yes, ma'am.
I'm not gonna ikhona into endiphezu kwayo but I'm the host.
Oh, ndicala kuzohoza
Usiphakela.
Andizawudingisa post yenu.
Sicala invitations.
Ndadingisa
We
pot.
are the first ones to get invitations. Ever ready. Yes, I'm bedroom. Ever ready.
Yeah.
We are there.
sayikupe tu.
Man usiphakele kule nto uyiphekayo.
Andizayiphakela.
Please.
So yeah, at least sisiriche ekupheleni konyaka ngoku. Don't you have like any regrets okanye to about the year, man? Besides, so chile ekuqaleni kuba it has been
Messy, yeah. It's been a messy.
And I spin I feel like umuntu
Everyone, man. It's been a messy year for everyone.
Iyacaca uba yiliphi
It's been a messy.
366 days.
Even events of a school, I shall see feeling and it's been a messy year.
Messy.
kanti kanizeke events abantu.
It's about sizobhesha events apha but asizanga
ningazikhanseli asiyafuna ukuza ke events nesimeme sibaze host baze MCs sinshele bese grand.
If unisho ukubana i-event yoni ihambelana ne-vision.
Yeah, so
fana la nto like
minute.
kubu invite you don't have to accept all the invitations or invite kuyo. Check jonga. Fana nam ungena competition you have to check uba okay i-event enjani lena.
leba organizer.
Ewe. Azobe kusingenele nje kuba ufuna like i-portfolio yakho inyuke.
There's one more question I want to ask for myself, and it's still in the beauty pageant. So it's for me. Do you think there should be like certain laws that allow people like to host the pageants?
Yeah.
Ewe.
Kungabikho an over flooding of. Yeah, because ngokwenza ingxaki.
Because nalabeka xobxobe yenza kuba abazali bafumane a bad image of what beauty pageants are.
Yeah, what we host. Yeah.
I feel like mayibe khona imithetho bethu nani because awunothi ndi-pageant director ndisele nani nto le what's the purpose yale pageant ndiyenzayo kanti ndizaphinda usogqiba ndithi bana after niwinile i-queen ne-princesses ninezinje masekwibash.
Yeah. Ayisebenzi lo.
After
Ayispan lo.
After
Samxoxa.
After part. I feel like directors.
Ewe. Into yobenza like even if you want to host ke after party yeah queens khaba sakwa spare man but something chill nje
fucking knife.
Ngiyathemba director event previous lapha eDimbaza uvile.
Hayi. Kana mkhona nthatha nabani.
Like and ndifuna nje ukuyenza like before sese good. I just wanted to make it icace kuba this episode was not about bashing events abantu. We just wanted an insight from a model from umuntu that has been in the industry for a very long time.
Yeah.
And asifuni bangathi sithina sicingela into ezingekhoyo because sizivi ngathi yabo. Yeah, see. But yeah, we just wanted to and we
also want to correct their wrongs.
Yeah, educate them.
Yeah, wrong in some sense.
And ngaske umuntu xa izohost competition ayiregistarish.
Yeah, and also it's not about like inatsika ukubana as support. We do support, but it depends ukubana indoni lena si supporter.
Yeah.
Wrong, okay.
Yeah, and I feel like le board le nto uthetha ngayo Bianca ngase yenzeke. Like the way by kukisigaba esithile that is dealing directly with
the with beauty pageants know themselves.
And ukhona back to basis that ejongana nezazinto.
Apply back to basis. Bikhona omnye but
usandokhutshwa omnye brother.
So like
lonto ayiyo. Asikholapha.
Dihlala phi na?
Uhlala
wena? But as
Zintouch. Hayi behind the scenes
I fill you in.
My part and person. The direct check question.
It's about
There
that
should
logo.
also be an age restriction
Yeah.
man, so as a pageant.
Man, people.
It's like just like if I bank account bar funeka ube ne-age ethile xa uhost
Yeah.
yabo man, because ngoku kulena besithetha ngayo everyone was intoxicated. We host was minors, like everyone there was just below
I get
18.
an ID.
Oh wow, yo,
Bro, like, even they had inadequate parental supervision.
but the parent was also drunk.
Anjani?
Ivan. Who are you? What are you? But
Stop the car, eh? Stop
you
the
can't
car, eh?
park the car there.
But they passed the god.
Hey, they did. But back to my question, masibayeke nabanye bahlali nabazali babo.
Citizens in country.
So do you have any regrets? Do you wish ngokwenza into esithile? And this way like future plans since you so
You
chill.
said you're cooking.
I do have regrets. Like, I have this bad thing of having like the fear of the unknown.
Yeah.
Xa ndifuna ukwenza into, be like,
What if?
Go, yeah.
bazothina abantu ndongoku. Even if it's a good thing, ngoba hayi ndongoku. Ndinala moya ombi mkhulayo ngoku. Ndicapukelayo. I feel like if bendingazibambanga kulo nyaka, like yeyinintsi into endiyenzileyo.
Yeah.
Yeyinintsi. I can live
Now,
So you suffered the pain of regret.
so
Yeah.
and we just hope by next year uzolungisa yonke lo mistakes zakhe eqoleni
Ndilungise ngoku.
Iqale
Okay,
kwangoku
that's
kwenzela
good,
ingabi
that's
ngathi next
Ndilungise
year.
ngoku.
That's good.
Yeah.
Uzongena ngestimela ku-2020.
Yeah.
2025 our lost 2025 kwalo next year sengena
kaloku
zwabo
nditsho.
phakathi so dibana international ntoni
Ewe.
but look so bendothina ngosam okay to ovayo obukeleyo pha ofuna uba like who likes this image that you've painted emhlabeni that
What would you
unje,
say?
unje. What would you say like kuye as a motivation?
Hey. What would I say?
Yeah,
To a little Ovayo watching you through that screen.
yeah,
Stop holding back.
yeah,
Like, yeki society bayithini.
yeah.
Do you? Yiva le ndithethwa le nto uyivayo. Yabana elaphupho uthi ungene ebhedini ungenabuthongo qomba.
Cause makwenzeke. Yeah.
Like make it happen. Ungathi ba okay iyafana ba ndifuna ukwenza into ethile but ungayenzi. Like le nto uyifunayo yileqe.
Yeah.
Because akekho umuntu like nguwe you the director of your own story. Yenza le nto ufuna uyenza.
Avoid the people.
Don't think ba uzawuthini ubani. Hayi.
Zange sike zaqhobo
Hayi.
hlobo.
Hayi guys.
There's a first time for everything.
Yeah.
So wena Jackie, same question applies to you. Uyayazi ba nawe ndikuhlelele. Uthini wena to a little old Jack okubukeleyo
Yo.
pha usabhalayo kwa grade R.
Yeah.
Oh.
Then I am just keep being human. Abanye abantu abazoku understand who you are, but just keep on with the vision of becoming lo Jack umfunayo. And just keep inspiring abantu in a different way. Hopefully we inspire abantu.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, let's just stay tuned about what's happening with Jack Ways.
Yeah,
How do you?
me?
Yeah.
I'd say to the little old me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop holding back. Don't overthink. And try to come up front with you. Know your intentions on everything that you do.
Yeah.
Know your intentions on everything that you do. And have a reason behind everything that you do
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because, hey, peer pressure, guys.
Hey.
You know why before you reach the
Makabi.
Z.
Hey.
Wena Chomi.
Thengathi yapheka nje.
Ayapha ngumo wakhe.
Makabi uphilosopher apha.
Sana.
Base abakuye then.
Piano.
Told you.
Mna, there's only one thing, yabo, and it's related to someone, yabo, because in a few years to come, I'm a bit big, you know. So yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why when you came with the best, like okay. To a younger me, yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. It's Unako behind, yabo. ufuna nje i-boys zami ngoba utata is behind yabo.
Okay.
Yeah boys, ezibani thola kwenzijo. Bitches mazikhali.
Maskali bitches.
Was ba serious
But yeah, over yeah. Like women 20 no brother.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
we also wanted to know a question, like to know from your perspective, like we see you thriving in what you're doing in the modeling industry. You're chasing the big dream, and when you're up there, what would you like you to know now? Like, what would you like people to
No, yeah.
to know you
Before-
as?
Yeah, before you
you
get
reach
famous.
your
man.
full potential.
Before being with the over your scout.
Our last guest ite ayina mali.
Like umzekelo sisebenzise eziphi adjectives
To describe when
Yeah.
yeah.
Kwangoku. Before you become what you really
Spain the lemon.
Yeah.
Manifest. Manifest.
Diligent.
strict.
Hi guys, andithandi ke sana le.
Bagila Street.
Andithandi. Focused.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Standing on business.
No.
standing on
Business.
Prayer warrior, because
Amen.
Amen.
Yo,
Hallelujah.
ngamandla
gorgeous,
Yeah.
beautiful,
Yes.
very mindful. And ingxaki xa kuthiwa mna describe yourself vese ndingazazi ntomba ndimhlenze na Jini uthixo andithanda nam like andiyazi ewe but yonke into yam man revolves about being like
Yeah.
nguthixo ovayo
Yeah.
like
Oh, okay.
Gama
Sit
lakho,
over,
mntanam.
over, yeah.
Yeah.
thixo andiva nam ndiyaniva yonke into yam revolves to being like
Yeah.
saved and I'm saved. Yeah.
What's your favorite
Bible verse is Jeremiah chapter 29,
Yes.
verse 11 to 14.
Yeah.
Yes.
For I know the plans that I have for you,
Yes.
plans to give you hope, the future that you hope for,
Yes.
not to prosper you, not to harm you,
Yes.
and to give you everything that you want.
Amen.
Yon.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
Close it.
Yeah, yeah. Shout
So-
out to yeah. No, like no, no. Sorry. Before like you close, I just wanted to to say shout out to everyone, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Shout out to Ovaya
Shout out
Scout.
to Sang.
Shout out to Sang. Shout out to everyone in back. Shout out to our Mr. Bambin, the producer, everything.
Sound guy ungu hash.
So before some like bakhona abantu interested baba ngamfumana phi like umzekelo
Socials zakho zithini?
socials
On Instagram, I'm Ovayo_scout. On Facebook, Ovayo Scout _Vince. On TikTok, I'm Ovayo.scout.
okay
Okay.
ningazipost
Itenzi asizokwazi.
go approach if
Ufuna i-10 e-wallet.
EFTs are allowed. EFTs are allowed.
Action.
if una criminal record mhlawumbe ungayifumana kasikodusa
So thank you, babies. This is our we are finishing today's episode.
What a crazy
Yo,
episode.
man, those guys.
yeah
Kuvaliwe.
Sure. We understand.
It was like a heat or like a bomb. So
Yeah.
thank you for staying with us in today's episode.
Yeah.
Today we had our amazing
yeah Ovaya Scout
Ovaya Scout. So thank you, Ovaya, for an amazing
Thank
episode.
you.
We out.
Bye.
Yon.
As you all know, the one my job, but
Yeah. It's that.